a Christmas miracle for the family. In a cozy little house, the Johnson family was preparing for Christmas. This year was different. Work and responsibilities had kept everyone busy, and the family had grown apart. Sarah, the youngest, missed the warmth of their old Christmases when they sang carols, baked cookies, and played games together. One snowy evening, Sarah decided to write a heartfelt letter not to Santa, but to her family. She placed it on the dining table where everyone would see it. The letter reminded them of their happiest Christmas memories and asked for one simple gift, a night together as a family. On Christmas Eve, Sarah woke up to the smell of gingerbread and the sound of laughter. Her parents were baking, her brother was hanging ornaments, and the living room was filled with the glow of the Christmas tree. The Johnsons spent the entire evening sharing stories, playing games, and singing carols like they used to. Sarah realized that the best gift wasn't under the tree. It was the love and connection they shared as a family.